guys, my name is Laura Shield. I live in Greenville, Illinois. I graduated with my bachelor's in social work in December of 2017. So right now I want to get a master's in social work because I want to work in hospice, and I can't really do anything in the hospice field without a master's degree. So that's what I'm doing here. Right now, I'm working at alternative school in Illinois. I have kids that have issues with the behavior or issues with their home life, things like that. So it's been an eye-opening experience for me, that's for sure. The last classes that I've had so far, they're just things that we need to hear more and more about because this is our baseline where we're really starting from. So I'm really excited to see what we're going to have in the future, the classes that we like electives and things like that, so we really get into what we really want to do. So right now it's nothing to write home about, but it's something that we need to hear, and we want it embedded in our brains so that we can use it later on. This class is very intimidating for me. I don't do anything with policymakers. I don't do anything with lawmakers. Policy is just not for me. But I'm interested to see what the professor gives us to start learning about. I'm hoping that if I don't love it, at least I'll like it before this class is over. So I'm glad you're all with us, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks.